Hi, I'm Jared Bisland with South Tampa Gutter and Window Cleaning. I had 180 Sites design my webpage about 6 months ago. They did an excellent job. I went from a Wix website that I designed that was very amateur to a professional looking website full of content, pictures, infographics, and very easy for the user to use. I've had a lot of customers just rave about how easy it is to get a quote, which is ultimately was my goal to get a new website. Everything was very smooth and easy from start to finish. Ryan and his team were very responsive. Felt like I was pestering them a little bit with different things I wanted included with the website, and they were very responsive and were able to include everything I wanted. I'm very happy with the website. It ranks high on Google. Whenever I want pictures or content changed, I just send them an email and it gets done very quickly. I can't say enough about their company. Ultimately, I'm very happy. I would recommend it to anybody else looking for a new website. 180 Sites is great to work with, and happy to be a part of their team. All right, take care.